In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can reset your password on a MacBook Pro 2025. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, and I know this is going to be a little bit hard to demonstrate since I'm currently screen recording, but what you're going to want to do is hold down the power button until your MacBook turns completely off. Keep holding it down until the screen goes fully black, and then from there, release that power button, and then press and hold the power button again, but this time, keep holding it until you see the continue holding for startup options. Whenever you start seeing those startup options loading, you can go ahead and let go. After a moment, you'll see your main drive along with an options button. Click options, then press continue to enter in recovery mode, and your Mac will now start loading, and you'll eventually see a screen asking you to select a user that you do know the password for. Since you're resetting it, choose forgot all passwords, and the system will then guide you through recovery. If your Mac is linked to an Apple account, you will need to sign in with that account. If you don't remember the password, once again, select the forgot password option, and you'll usually be asked to enter in an email address or a phone number connected to your Apple account. Apple will then send you a verification message just so that you can reset that password. But whenever you do complete those steps, you'll be able to create a new password and sign back into your MacBook. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.